Hey everyone, it's Tiffany here. We're at Dollar Tree and I have some shocking news to tell you. So be sure to stay to the end. I'm going to show you what that is. If you're a crocheter, look at this yarn. This is so soft. You get 106 yards and this is $1.25. They have them in blue, cream, brown, a mustard, and this beautiful like crimson red. I do love these memo pads. This is today is the day, and you can write down everything that you need to do for the day. I love these, and you can just throw it away. They have them in this purple and white, and they also have this one as well, to-do list. Don't forget, and $1.25. They have these DC comic books, and these are $1.25. They have this guy right here. It looks like they have Super Sons as well. This is brand new at the Dollar Tree. They have acrylic yarn and Chanel yarn. Y'all, this is really neat. It's $1.25. They've got a lot of colors to choose from. Look at this right here. Let's see how many yards it comes with. 109 yards. Let me feel it. That feels pretty decent. Now my favorite yarn is actually, I love this yarn, and you can find that at Hobby Lobby, but this is pretty good if you just need a small project. $1.25. They also have the crochet hooks here, and I do suggest this one right here. This is a 5 and 5.5 millimeter, but they are plastic. But if you want to try out and see if crochet is something for you, definitely give Dollar Tree's crochet hooks and yarn a try. These are my favorite pill organizers, but they also have this one right here, and this one is like a little bit smaller, so if you have some smaller items, that would be good. It looks like it comes in a case, and you can pull each of these out and take them as you need them for the day. Also, if you need a tablet cutter, they have one at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. So if you have to cut tablets, this might come in handy. That way it's not you're cutting it and it's going all over your counter. I love this toolbox. It's $1.25. It's definitely like made of plastic, but you could definitely keep other things in here besides tools. Or if you have a young gentleman who needs a toolbox with some tools, this would be fun. I feel like Dollar Tree's candle section has gotten insane. Let me know if your Dollar Tree is like this, but there's so many different ones to choose from. Like, look at all these different candle holders. These are really pretty right here. Look at that. Holds some votive. That's pretty. Kind of has a nice blue and gold. They've got these here. Oh, those are so pretty. $1.25. They have them in green, red, and blue. They also have some of these LED candles. These are very light. They're kind of cheap feeling though, really, to be honest. But they have these right here, you know, if you just need something. Oh wait, that's different. Look at that. This is like plastic, and it looks like it has like a flickering LED candles. That's not too bad. I kind of like that. These are beautiful velvet push pins. Look how pretty those are. They got them in this like navy blue. We got a rose gold push pins, some pearls. And with those push pins, you can get you a rectangle felt board and make kind of like a vision board. You know, maybe put some goals up on there. They have these in gray, hot pink, and a teal. And they also have like the hexagon shape as well. These are mechanical colored pencils. Okay, that is pretty neat. And it's like you can choose the colors you want. Like, there's a teal one, there's like a blue one, so that's kind of neat. I guess they're just mechanical pencils, but they're actually colored. And if you're looking for some new items to put on your desk, they have these gold ones. This is really cute. A rose gold. They even have a tape dispenser and a wired leather store and a wired tape dispenser as well. Your cat could literally be a princess. This is a new cat collar. How cute is that with all the little beads and little bells? They even have a pet bowl. This is really nice. It has some rubber here on the mat on the back so it doesn't slide. They have it in a bone style and a kitty style. They have so many pet toys here. You can even get them like jet puffed marshmallows. How funny is that? If you want your kids to help you out cleaning windows, because it is springtime, that's usually when I do mine, this would be super fun for them to do. These are great to use like under your sink. You get one of these and hang them up and it'll help like remove odors and moisture. And I like to put these underneath my kitchen sink, and I believe they last about 30 days. Yeah, up to 30 days. Okay, so these are towel scrunchies. Now, are these the ones you put on your wrist, or do you put these in your hair? Maybe you could use them for both. I don't know. What do you think? Okay, so Power Stick, you know, if you look here, Power Stick has made their dupe for the Sol de Janeiro, what is it called? The spray. But now they have some scents in this shower gel. I'm very excited to see what this might smell like. This is Sandalwoods, and they also have Amber Rogue. I don't know. I'm excited. I think I'm going to have to try this out. Now, these are down the Dollar Plus aisle. These are stackable containers. These are $5 each. They are pretty big, but I think this would be great to organizing in the bottom of your pantry. And also, if you have chickens, it'd be a great chicken nest. These are the new colors for all of spring in the organizing. You have this shape right here. They're a little bit smaller. You have this one right here. And they have these, which I think are great to like store water bottles in as well. I don't know, that's in the wrong spot. And they also have this one right here. Cinnamon Toast Crunch nail polish. What? Does it smell like Cinnamon Toast Crunch? I don't know. Breakfast on your toes and fingers. 2 scented nail polishes and a decal sheet. Well, that's kind of cool. Can we see how cute these Band-Aids are? These are llamas, and they also have some pineapple. So cute. These first aid travel kits are so great to have like in your car. They come with 36 assorted size bandages because, you know, you never know when you're going to need bandages. If you have anyone that's a boba fan in your house, they have these new bubble tea straws. These are huge. You get a huge pack of these for $1.25. And I have to say they are much more expensive on Amazon. Oh, look at this. I found this. Oh, I've seen this. This is like a viral thing here. It's $5. You're going to get 50 snacks, 58 sandwiches, 20 freezer, 22 quarts, and 18 gallons, 168 total. This is kind of cool because you can just open it up and stick it right into your drawer. If you take your sandwiches to work and you don't want it to get smashed, these are great little lock and top sandwich containers with lids. They have them in pink, blue, and green. And if you are doing more of a meal prep, you can get this meal proportion. It's kind of like a medium size, and it has 3 triple compartments, and you get a set of 2. They have those in gray, blue, pink, and green. And to match, they have these small container and lids, so you can put your salad dressings or cheese that you have extra, or anything that's just small. This new weekly planner, it has Monday through Sunday, and it comes with like this dry eraser, and I love how it is magnetic. That's going to be great to put on your refrigerator. But what the heck? Is this a price increase? Are you kidding me? What is going on with Dollar Tree? Grab it before it's gone at $1.25, but I'm seeing $1.50. Well, guys, that was Dollar Tree. What do you think about the new price increase that I saw today? I'm a little shocked. I did hear that maybe they're going to be upping the prices to $1.75. Let me know what you are hearing. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.